A study on training teachers who continue to learn proactively. National Institute for Educational Policy Research, Japan. Yorikazu Nouchi. Purpose of the study. In Japan, the improvement of teachers' qualification and ability has become an issue. The purpose of this study is to examine how to train teachers who continue to learn independently, which is required in the future, by focusing on the policy of core science teachers. Goal of the Center for Science and Mathematics Teacher (CST) Development Project, with the aim of improving the teacher ability of elementary and junior high school teachers in science and mathematics education. The university and the Board of Education is collaborate to train teachers who will play a central role in science and mathematics education of knowledge. Comparison of international surveys highlight studying science. In junior high school, the percentage of children who answered that studying science is fun was lower than in other countries. Number of teachers by age in public elementary and junior high school. Knowledge and skills has been handed down from senior teacher to new teacher in the field of practice, but it is expected to become more difficult to hand down knowledge and skill, as a large number of inexperienced teachers are born. Aim of JST policy. JST supports the training and activity of core science teachers, elementary and junior high school teachers who play a central role in science and mathematics education in the region. Training of CSTs. The program is a collaboration between the university and the Board of Education, allows students to acquire practical leadership skills. Background of JST program. 16 regions and universities are participating in the JST policy. The following are the implementing organizations, support periods, and project names under JST policy. For example, Shinshu University, Nagano Prefecture Board of Education. Project name, Teacher Training Program to support expertise and practical skills as a science evangelist. 96% of the project stakeholders responded to the questionnaire that they were able to achieve their original planned objective. More than 90% of the participants in the CST program responded that the program was effective in three areas: acquisition of leadership skills, development of knowledge, and acquisition of skill. 98% of the in-service teachers CST responded in the questionnaire that they had used what they learned in the program in their subsequent activity. Outcome and the challenge of the JST project. Despite the termination of JST support, CST projects were voluntarily continued in third of the region responded to the survey. It is noteworthy that the CST project continued to be rooted in the country even after the support has ended. It is important to identify the situation in which CST are applying what they have learned. Necessary elements for training. Based on an interview with the supervisor of the Board of Education in Kochi Prefecture, who was being voluntarily continuing the CST project, the necessary elements for training teachers who continue to learn will be examined. In order for CST to thrive, it is important to set up a place where CST can apply what they have learned. The planning and management of training by CST play a major role in developing teachers who continue to learn independently. The fact that CST collaborate with their peers to plan and learn the training also help foster a network among CST. Conclusion. In order to build a training program for teachers who continue to learn proactively, it is necessary to set up a place where they can output what they have learned. It is only when there is a place to apply what they have learned that they can rediscover their own learning, and this will lead to independent learning.